guys, it's Putkin, and guess what? They're getting married. Okay, let's watch this. I'm gonna turn this up. Hold on. Okay.
Sure. For you, Kenny, Jacob could be your husband forever. Okay. Now, okay. Now you may. Okay.
We disconnected. Bogdan! How'd that happen? Oh god. I recorded all of that. After this, you should tell him we recorded all of that. Oh god, they have bushy. He has a bushy tail. Danny does to fit in. You should turn into Rocket. Wait, does the panda have bushy tail?
Yes, the panda's got a little freaking tail.
Oh, you don't have a tail, Danny. But if you turn into the Rocket Raccoon, you can be a bushy tail. Don't do it. Like send him a message. I fit in.
Got a little nervous. God. Alright, so let's go have a party.
Yay!
Come on, let's go have a party.
You can't even get in.
I want in. Wait, give a second. Hey, go in the bathroom. Okay,
Crap, this is beautiful.
okay, this is how you dance, guys. You want to know how to dance?
This is beautiful.
Okay, stick that tail. What song do you play? My favorite song is...
Love lasts forever.
Lord, Drag, Doll. Alright, so let's dance. Are you kidding me? Are you serious right now?
Ruin the marriage. If I were playing, I'd be like,
Oh, I gotta tell him something. I gotta tell him something. I gotta tell him something. I gotta tell him something.
What?
I gotta tell him something.
oh my god, what are you telling me? His Jurassic Park one. His first one.
What the? Oh, I thought he started humming. I'm like, whoa.
He has a beautiful humming voice.
I need you to throw the diamonds out for everybody. Why are you opening the door? Is it almost right here, anything? I'm not gonna break diamonds from the next one. I'll pull rain down.
You have to tell him this so badly. We'll be right back.
A bear.
We're back.
That's the best.
Really?
Alright.
Then click Love Lasts Forever.
Hold on, wait, I just gotta get on my computer.
Wait a minute, I just gotta get on my computer so I can do this all.
I'm texting my friend's computer.
Oh, get ready for the witch.
Witch, no!
Then click.
Anyways, guys, we'll be back once again. But bye. I'll